What is up, guys? Jamaica Worst Gamer again there with the crew. You don't know, baking it. We keep baking it. You don't know. So today we are doing the casino ice. This is Aaron's mission. I never did a mission the ice before, so this is my first time attempt it. So let's see how we go. So today we have what we have. Say the name.
Black hole Aaron. Let me introduce everybody. Yeah? So we have AKA Bigfoot, AKA Slim Shady, AKA Head to Big Flame Shoulders, AKA Mammoth Foot, Aaron faster in the building, and then we have Dark Mode, Crab Head.
Yeah. What do you say government for, man? Relax, man.
Devon Scott in the building as well. Aaron and then the one and only Hug Seed.
Yeah.
Yeah. Shoot up in iPhone. You know what you going now?
Yeah, so you don't know that are the whole team. So we're gonna just jump in it and see what can go on. So ready?
Yeah, ready up the man.
Yo, click ready now. What am saying more?
25%.
Okay, change now. Damn thief.
Everyone's got 25%. Aaron, click on come here, man.
No, you've been confiscated, fam.
What? Alright, you best keep my 25, brother. Swear down.
Nigga, shut up, fam. You ain't done that to deserve
Shut up and give
25.
my 25, brother.
Yeah, you got it, fam. Let's go, man. You got it, fam.
Press ready. Devon, press ready, man.
We're ready, my youth.
Boy, you never do a mission. You don't have a choice, bro. Fucking wrong with you. You're gonna see a top man. You're not level 3, you're gonna get a top man.
Top man, boy.
Go sit down, big man. Fucking wrong with you.
Brother. Start on your mouth, man.
Sure, press ready, man, and come, man. Come on, what you do?
What the cook? What the chef here do? Big man, hurry up, man. Sure.
Shut
Neat.
up.
Yeah, man could just neat go in there.
I'm trying to put a mask on. I'm looking to bait face out here.
What are you fucking boy you put that mask? You're a big idiot, yo.
Yo, coronavirus is going on, man. We need to start protecting ourselves.
Is this a 4-door car?
Come on, drop in that camera.
Watch out! So you drive off left way.
Drop in that camera, man.
Come, let's roll.
Man, drive off left way and a boy jump in the car.
Drop me at the driver's always, you know.
No, but that start throwing a bomb, brother. No,
Yo.
you get police after way for what?
How's he got bomb anyway?
Not even know me a boss.
How's he got...
Oh, that's joke already.
That's why you were going me
Oh,
out.
that's all we do.
You have to press. You have to press R1 for see which gonna have idiot.
That's one.
Yo, stop! Just stop! Just put in back it and the car, man. You.
Who this?
Watch out!
What are you doing, bro?
He was gonna kill him.
You not meant to
We
kill him.
went to enter the casino.
So guys, please leave a like on the video. Please leave a comment. Make you know oh shit Agseed. No, not Agseed. Bullhead is. And then who you think is Bullhead? Who you think is Bullhead?
Can't beat boy, shut him up, man.
Who you think is Bullhead?
Damn, think like can't beat.
Who do you think is Bullhead? Alright, let's make listen to the mission, yeah.
Come on, yeah.
There's a casino here now. No black people. Come on.
Police there already.
Wait outside, lad.
Shit, bro, they give me some shit gun, dog.
You took a good gun, man.
They give me some good gun, brother. They give me some shit gun, dog. They're not giving a good gun.
Oh yeah, because it's a part of the setup. I chose the weapons at the setup. I remember.
So them idiot gonna get you, brother.
Well done.
No bullhead. I tried
This is-
One, two, three.
Let move.
Yeah, I move.
That's how I move. Yeah.
Reload.
You know them.
Stick together.
Never part my.
Military split is two.
Like send them to heaven. Yo, man, everybody on them did no headshot for me.
Wanna come.
Bull mouth, you there?
Man, no come, gala come. Jesus Christ.
Hey, watch it tonight. The kid in the blood clotting.
Right, man.
No, civilian. Turn around. Yeah, man, him dead. Two more dead on the back. Fuck, for real.
Come on, guys. Let's just stick together and do this. Bomb, I'm dead.
Like chicken and right hand.
I need a medic.
Don't me move bad, no?
Infantry.
You can't move like.
Body armor.
Oh boy, yeah. Empty clip name.
I'm gonna waste a bullet. I'm gonna remember saying I have nothing. Watch out. I'm gonna waste bullet. Alright, go empty clip on him.
Devon's dead. How's he dead from?
Cause they wanna shit, brother. They wanna level 3.
Yeah, but you not meant to be protecting him, fam.
Ooh.
Behind us. I don't know where my fella.
Who will protect him? I end up chat, sir. You know, but again, pussy, you're dead. How are you there?
What is weird? Move up, boy. What? On this.
Oh, we're waiting. We have to wait for this.
Yeah, come.
Yellow na come, that's yellow na sweet. Hurry up, man, you fool like. You know you're dead, so take to take cover is go next to a building and press R1, bro.
No, I press R1, me know.
So you're dead, so
That's why me dead. Me dead because me I get shot.
so you take cover?
Me take cover, me still I get shot.
You fool, no fuck.
You have a team dynamic, but my team shit. I don't care about to kill people.
Why fuck no fool?
You go on cause bad with the father licking him out. You go on.
Why left? Hit man left, to the left. Oh, why you fucking so good? Yo, to your left, man. Yo, listen.
No, like, I'm gonna have enough. I'm gonna have the shit is gonna make I even get the bullet land.
Who in front of me? Move the man.
Team.
Shoot him in the head, man. You head top.
Alright, come on.
Come on, you're there,
Yeah, don't worry, don't worry.
oh, you should come on, you're soft.
Come on, guy, push on.
Watch out.
Push
We
on.
should run this way.
Watch over over here, sir. 1, 2, no, man. Set the place on fire for 1 now.
Nah, tap an eye on him, man.
Stop trouble, man, you. You know, bullet. Big and idiot, you fool, no bomb. How am to you? You jumpy. Fuck you.
Trigger happy, you know, man. Yo, trigger.
I know, I can see. Alright, then. Mr. Devon, Mr. Chevron. When I say Aaron. Aaron, where you there? Now our room?
I'm hacking the keypad.
Yeah, so am I. No, what kind of keypad you a hack?
Shut up, nigga, man. Trying to make sure I get the right bits. So.
Come on, man, I have a 6.
Me dead.
Hey, what?
I'm not surprised. Watch
Oh,
out!
for frick's sake.
Foot them hashies, brother. Remember, I know you from long time. So nobody come this me now because you think so you get big and now and start par with white blokes.
Watch out, only you
No,
can
brother, right
run
there,
past-
sir.
No, go run past him and not kill him. Yeah, I'm in the air.
Big master, what you do? Man, son of a
You're not running in front of me, man. You're holding up my weapon, bro.
Go roll up weapon. Watch it from my song, way. Bumbleclaw, you're gonna say you're done. Hold on. Gunshot, baking it. Bake it. Bake it.
Yo, turn around, man. It's coming right next to you.
Bake it. Bake it. Pussy. Bake it. What the boy you doing? I kill you. Get up. Get up. Kill you too. Bake you. I left no witness. Blood.
Alright, keypad.
Just don't shoot, man. We are shoot for. Nobody does have to shoot. That's why you dead 2 times in the night and fuck up the game, you know. Not like a dirty style in my youth. Blood clot. Watch it now. Me dead.
Oh, laugh first, laugh last.
That don't make no sense, man, you.
Yeah, it makes sense. So you laugh first, you laugh last. You're dead.
Man, fool, you fuck.
Oh my
Come.
god.
Yeah, let's go.
Come in the elevator, guys. Come in the elevator, guys.
Come.
Alright, well done, Aaron. Well done. Guys, please leave a like on the video. Please subscribe to the channel if you're new.
Alright, careful.
Okay, go to one of the keypads. Whoa, shit. Who that?
Alright, just take cover and I need to put some armor on.
Oh, am I come again, sir?
Chevron, where there?
Yeah, inventory. If you have to buy them from the store.
You can buy snacks and them something from the store, guys. Them newbie, I have to teach them what to do. Fool your fuck.
I'll bulletproof vaccine.
Who them bulletproof vaccine?
Aaron.
Who I'm here, you?
Yeah, come on.
Yo, guys, just
Yo,
leave Aaron to do what he's
shut-
doing, and then no,
You gotta do it at the same time, bro. Go up to it.
Chevron, go. Yeah.
Yo, whoever's not there, shoot, you know.
I don't know, man. I shoot,
3,
man.
2, 1, go.
Come here, on this man, I shoot.
What shoot? You stink like.
So what should I do then?
No me. See me by yourself.
Power.
Come in, man.
Come. Let's go.
Come now, watch out.
Go to the vault.
Listen, I'm gonna boss this, you know.
Explode this bomber clot, yeah.
Blow it up, want everything there, like,
Oh, you trouble didn't know, man. Come, Devon.
Come, yes, Marina. Come, yes, Marina. Oh, study bull now, bull.
Who there front? Aaron there front?
No, that's Chef.
Him look
I'm in the
front.
white coat.
Okay, yeah.
Oh, study bull now,
Me in a white coat, Aaron. Oh, the guy on the outside, them say.
Even them wait to use it, bro.
Ready?
Yo, everyone, come in there.
You can.
Take everything out there. Come on.
Anything.
Move like them out, send you a shop. Take out
You gotta hack the keypad. Whoever's doing the inside, someone hack the keypad.
You have to hack the keypad. What do you mean hack the keypad? Which keypad do you have to hack? Oh, so one.
Just grab what you can then.
Grab quickly. So guys, I rob the money. I take the whole of the money. And guys, if you need to try and do this mission, you have to have the arcade to do this mission. If you don't have it, you cannot do this one. So bear it in mind, yeah. Buy the arcade.
Tell them don't thief that out there, no?
Tell them don't thief that style, yeah.
Man.
Come on, got the money. Grab me money. Fuck.
Come on, get out.
Not out of money.
Move, man.
Come on, hurry up, no, man.
Oh wow, and there's another keypad, bro. That's a flop, bro.
Wanna come. Wanna come, the man before no dead.
Hurry, right, Lester, fam. He's a pussy. I'll try and shit my ear, but hurry up. Come on, Lester, man.
Where are you, man, then? Oh, we didn't even get all the money, bro.
Oh no, that's shit.
What the hell, bro?
That's dead, fam.
Who dead?
Who's still in there, bruv? Come on, man.
Oh God. The man said come out. You know come out and something, my youth. Alright guys, we're back again for the third time because them idiot and novice, them level 3 people that keep dying. So I could just deal with it.
Last time, are you?
And I never mean that I was at the door. Idiot.
No, you're the first time, funny man.
You chat too much, man. All you do is chatting, you not kill nobody. You not do nothing. You chat too much, stop it nice.
You chat too much yourself. Chat too much.
Damn crab.
Yes. I'm gonna take my bars.
Take your what?
I'm gonna take my bars, them.
I want to put you behind bars.
Man, you damn crab. Watch out.
Oh my days, man.
Oh,
Alright.
don't talk, you know. Me don't talk. I have nothing to say. Me not have nothing to say. They're dead. All when them back. Oh, idiot. One day I get like a nothing to pussy clot. Well, we have the same gun, but not the same level of experience.
Then right, you said somebody dead last time.
Yeah, there. Me never call a name, you know? Me never call a name.
Yo, come, let's go. Elevator.
Send
Go away, man.
Somebody left.
It's just about motorway. Are you fit do damn something about motorway?
Yeah, I'm meant to do it if you're standing in front of the damn pad, bro.
Damn idiot. All you do is chat and I'll do your job.
Alright, Pinky on the brain. Calm down.
Yo, this is the worst crew I've ever played game with. They argue amongst themselves, they kill each other, them fight themselves. Yo, how can I squad this, man? Somebody wanna kill him then, man? Look how much going on up there, sir. Bumbo clot idiot to the man. Alright, hurry up here, brother. Just concentrate on what you're doing, bro. Don't worry about what's going on out here right now.
Boss it.
Yeah, I'm just finding the contact.
Bumbo clot, how dead?
Right, let's go. No one's dead, which is good.
Alright, I got the P. Everyone knock.
Find one.
Alright, I've got a cart here that I'm gonna.
No, hack.
Oh, that's what thermal charges is for.
What?
Yo, hack.
Blow up the tree.
Yeah.
Oh, so you use it to blow it up.
Well, you can if you got a thermal charge. If
What's
you
that?
Got a thermal charge, then you gotta hack it.
Where is it? Turn my charge for door.
The keypads, because you have thermal charges, but you only get a limited amount on this.
Dash it on the pads and then blow it up.
Bro, why can't I find nothing to fucking hack?
Yeah, they're all hacked, I think.
Nah, look at your
I've got one. I'm hacking one over here.
Yo, I'm gonna grab some money here, man. Cause I can't bother with that bomber cloth, long thing.
Man.
Come on, guys, come on. 20 seconds, 10 seconds.
I got that.
10 seconds, 10 seconds.
Come on, out. Grab whatever.
Come, everybody out. Guys, out. Fucking out of the thing, man, and shut up, man.
One person can die, innit?
What happened to the brother, man?
One guy can die when the gas comes. You know that, right?
Yeah, if you got enough life.
Yeah. That was it, true that. Oh, bro, I'm just on the podium vehicle again, you know.
Yeah, we already ran out.
Yeah, I'm trying to fucking get to this thing and even come. So I'm gonna take the wipes. Guys, please leave a like on the video if you like how Captain Bongo go on.
Hold on, Captain Bongo is doing 19, man.
Me know. A loser. Chevron, you just shoot it. Just chill, man, youth.
No, there's people here, man. What are you talking about?
Just relax, man. They're not eat, they must see a dog.
Yeah, they are. They're up in the
You just do shoot, then you go dead first.
Oh my god.
Did you just die? This nigga, bro.
No, I stayed alive.
Wow, some fucker died, bro, because we haven't got no life left.
Exactly, you died, fam.
That's what I'm saying to you. You think fucking shooty, bro. You're the only one that's doing the
So
most.
I'll leave them and let them come around.
Yes, let them come to us, bro. We're taking cover. See one, yeah? Yeah, you take cover, bro. You just take cover and just shoot them when they come. Don't go to them. Let them come to you.
Let's go, let's go.
Fuck.
What the? Why did this?
You're not coming. Man, no, you're so jumpy.
Yo, we ever kill people in man? We can't stand still, you know?
Because me call you Axie. Don't try to name Axe no, brother. You're still there back.
Yo, one person's still down there.
And me.
Oh,
We left Devin down there. Yo, wait.
Devon, let's come in the lift, brother.
Yeah, we'll be right out here when we get here.
Someone shoot
Watch out.
me.
For flip's sake, bro.
Oh, fucking hell. Yeah, I mean, like on the style of the
You got
man.
2 ways you gotta look, fam.
He died fucking twice. Guys, just take cover. What I wanna do, take cover.
Yeah, so where I don't know.
I don't know about take cover. It's not gonna be nice.
What, yeah?
Wait, where do we get?
What just happened to us?
We still downstairs. Oh,
You're going up by yourself, man. Oh my god.
see? Turn around.
Oh, I'm nearly dying, man. What the fuck?
Oh, the man are reaching us, sir.
That's what I'm saying. How they in
Okay,
the
okay.
already?
I want.
Stay in it.
Listen.
Yeah.
I want 2 guys to face that way and 2 guys face this way. Simple.
Hold me a cover. Me a heal.
Yeah, I'm out of this one.
Kung Fu Master, I'm right next to you.
That's like Kung Fu Master.
Is that him name? You know I can Nig Master your name, Nig Fu. Fucking idiot.
Should have done the heist by myself.
Yeah, you should have done by yourself.
Bumbleclad, what you cavalry?
But then come on, missile launcher, come for them.
Something's wrong with that battery, you know. Sure. I'm mad.
Throw the battery, you dildo?
Yeah, I always have some funny thing I think about them. Watch your ass about. Watch your ass for real, man.
Jump in, I can't. We can't jump into this. We can't jump in the car.
No, we gotta fight. We gotta go around the back. Come this way, this way, this way. Go
What?
this way. The cars are blue, the blue ones on the map. Come over this way.
Why is it at the back? I'm gonna dumb this.
I don't. Cause of all this blue.
I saw Aaron set it up, man.
Idiot.
Aggressive way, innit? The hardest way.
Oh, is it?
We have 5-star alpha with Bumbo Clot. Them dead. All when them back. We have to take over fire, so. Come on, man. And run, go on.
It's on.
Guys, leave a like on the video. Leave a like on the video. Who's driving the view? Who's driving the view? Who's driving the view?
Anyone. Get that one, get that one.
One. I mean.
Of your shit, bro. Your shit.
You better you go your bed.
Where you come out the car for? Where you come out the car for?
Oh my.
Devon, later. Chevron, later. What, the man jump out the car again, brother? What I'm here, brother?
You might tell me say you're trying to pop on the pipe.
Just jump in the fucking car and tapping nice, man. Fuck you, jump out for mine. That's how you love jump? You have parachute? Your bumbo clock there, man. I waste my time, man. And big and full for you. Fuck.
Which part you go?
Now worry yourself. Sit down in the car and put in a seatbelt. Bro, I didn't know what to do on this stupid thing. Watch out there, man. Chevron, come out again. Why you still say Chevron? Alright then. He keep pressing triangle for some reason, like him finger stuck up there, sir. He was low to the buyer. Him jump out and me left him. Me not wait on him. You can run. Fucking need that boy jump out of car. That no sense. Click down in blood clot.
That killed me, man. We lose the 2 life and meet again.
Watch it now, man.
Wait, you actually did leave him?
What you mean?
Oh lord.
You jump out.
Man, this game ain't long enough as it is. You actually left him.
Yo, the man jump out of the car, brother, and we lose money. Me not have time to lose money with him. More money. Back,
So why you jump out the car and go get that from? Man, jump out the car.
Watch out, watch out. We failed. Oh.
Why you gotta run him over for? He's not even in the cutscene anymore, fam.
Oh, he's dead. He's dead.
Nah, he's dead.
Oh shit. Leicester in there. Hold on, Leicester in there. Guys, please leave a like, leave a comment. Hashtag shut up.
Don't leave a comment, don't none of that.
Leave a comment, hashtag shut up on the video if you watch it to the end.
Lost more money than we gained, fam. What is this?
Also guys, please subscribe to the channel if you're new. Thank you for watching, guys. Until next time.
Watch out, what is that?